Today I'm going to transform this 4C beauty into this right after this.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another hair video. Today I'm going to take this lovely young lady from her 4C natural hair and we're going to stretch it out and we're going to do a silk press. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Okay, we're going to dive right in and we're going to stretch this beauty out and give her a silk press, different change from her natural hair. That's all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
Got my key in the door. I can't help thinking you'll be there. Oh, I keep falling back, acting so damn insecure. Don't get me wrong, when I wake in the morning, all of these feelings are gone. Why are you here in the back of my mind? Maybe I just need somebody that you feel the space, you know how to do it just right. Maybe I don't really feel, cause this desire's only shallow, and I'm a mess alone when I'm on my own. And maybe I don't really miss you. I just hate the silence late at night. I think I need someone to hold me. Restless and cold in my bones, I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. As I'm lying in bed, I can't help wishing you'll be here. A breath on my neck, whisper that I do you best. I toss and I turn till 4 in the morning, sleepless in these empty sheets. If you were here, you can come to my mind. I know I just need somebody tonight. You feel the space, you know how to do me just right. Maybe I don't really feel, cause this desire's only shallow, and I'm a mess alone when I'm on my own. And maybe I don't really miss you. I just need the silence late at night. I think I need someone to hold me. Restless and cold in my bones, I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. from the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my rules. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Ooh, cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah. I got all these dimensions.
That look, babe, I know what's on your mind. Whatever you need, babe, I see it in your eyes all the time. We could be in Paris or in Spain, bathroom on a plane. Girl, I bet you glad you came. You know I'ma make you moan. I'ma make you moan. We could be in Sydney or Vancouver, in the backseat of an Uber. Girl, the way that I maneuver, you know I'ma make you moan. Even over the phone, I'ma make you. Make you. Bend down low, babe. I'll blindfold your eyes. You don't need to see me when you're on your knees, wait, and baby say please, and then I'll make you scream. We could be in Paris or in Spain, bathroom on a plane. Girl, I bet you glad you came. You know I'ma make you moan. I'ma make you moan. We could be in Sydney or Vancouver, in the backseat of an Uber. Girl, the way that I maneuver, you know I'ma make you moan. Over the phone, I'ma make you. I'ma make you.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day.
Alright guys, so this is the final look of her Silkpress. I want to thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. I hope to see you guys in present, past, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.